What's the meaning of cane rat? Cane rat. Cane rat.
Cane rat. Cane rat. A cane rat is a type of rodent that is found in sub-Saharan Africa and is known for its large size and herbivorous diet. It is also commonly referred to as a grass cutter due to its habit of cutting grasses to build its nests. These animals are considered a delicacy in some African cultures and are consumed for their meat. Despite their popularity as a food source, they are not currently threatened or endangered and can often be found in agricultural areas where they feed on crops.